Ken?
Good, how are you?
Or are you Darlene?
Well, Darlene's right here.
Which one are you? Joey, nice to meet you. Good to meet you too. Thanks for being so welcoming and thanks for opening the gate.
No problem. What a great day for a visit.
Welcome to Ken and Darlene's RV. Wow.
Welcome to our RV. We've traveled here from New York State and now here in Florida for the winter, so we don't have to shovel snow. Our RV consists of a beautiful kitchen, anything you could want, stove, microwave, everything you need to live. We have 3 TVs in the motorhome, one in the bedroom, one in the living area, and one outside.
Is that where you watch all of your reality TV?
Absolutely.
Who drives this thing? Because this is a 35-footer.
Ken.
Ken.
Darlene will never drive it. I'm terrified.
Ken is the driver, and Ken wants to get there safely, so that's why he's driving.
Okay, first question. How many can you sleep in the RV?
5.
The couch is also has a queen sleep bed. We've got a fireplace. If you have some chilly nights here in Florida, it warms it up some, but we also have 2 other types of heat in this RV. We have heat pumps on the roof that are also air conditioners when it's hot, and we also have a propane furnace that heats this unit and the basement where storage is underneath, and your water tanks and holding tanks and that type of thing. This is our bathroom.
It's got a full shower to it and it's very spacious. It works out great. Welcome to our bedroom.
We have a king-size bed here. We have under-bed storage here.
Wow. Is there anything that you guys miss from living in a home to moving full-time into this RV?
No, the things are what we don't miss. And we don't miss mowing grass. We don't miss shoveling snow and taking care of a home.
What about you, Darlene? A little bit of space to get away from Ken?
Oh, 100%. 100%.
You guys have been so welcoming. Thank you so much. Just this whole tour, I've had so much fun.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming, Joe.